Johnny Depp, beginning of deliberations in the defamation case he filed with The Sun. A British court has begun looking into the defamation case filmmaker Johnny Depp filed against The Sun newspaper for allegedly beating his ex-wife, Amber Heard. Depp is suing the publisher of the Sun News Group news piece and its chief editor Dan Wootton for the newspaper's publication of an article in April 2018 that referred to him as his wife hit her. Depp strongly denied that he was violent with Heard. Depp and Heard were seen arriving at the High Court in London on Tuesday morning. Both wore a muzzle, in the midst of the current corona epidemic. Once the trial started, Depp was summoned as the first witness in the case. The actor was not visible in the video pictures that were being seen in the courtroom, which was full of attendees and where the reporters sat. Depp's lawyer, David Sherburne, asked his client about the recording of a conversation between the actor and Heard on September 26, 2015. Depp explained that he and Heard had recorded conversations during their relationship. In her testimony, Heard said she recorded the conversation in order to remind Johnny of what he would do when he used drugs and alcohol because he would not have remembered or denied what he said. But Depp said that was not true, telling the court that his subsequent retrieval of their conversation from memory was sometimes completely different. He added, "I at the time thought that the best thing I could do was record the conversation, so I brought my phone to the place we were talking to and said, I will record this conversation, just to be aware of it. I wanted to order it out in the open." News Group newspapers previously attempted to dismiss the case, but Judge Nicole ruled last week that the case should continue. The article, published by the Sun newspaper, related to allegations made by the actress, who married the star of Pirates of the Caribbean during the period from 2015 to 2017. Witnesses, including ex-girlfriend Johnny Depp, Vanessa Brady, and Winona Ryder, are expected to testify via video link, and the trial is expected to continue for 3 weeks. Johnny Depp and his ex-wife Amber Heard in 2015. Reuters. Johnny Depp and his ex-wife Amber Heard in 2015. In preliminary deliberations last month, Judge Nicole concluded that Depp had broken a court order by not providing text messages related to his alleged drug use. Lawyers News Group News People went on to say that the text messages sent in 2015 proved that Depp was trying to get drugs during his stay with Heard in Australia, a period during which allegations of domestic violence were reported. Johnny Depp's lawyer said that the letters were not relevant because they were not related to the allegations of domestic violence that the Sun newspaper referred to in her article entitled Madness, How Can J.K. Rowling Be Really Happy Happiness by starring his wife Johnny Depp in the movie New Wonderful Monsters? The judge said he would release Depp from the penalties for violating the court order. But Judge Nicole said his decision was conditional on Depp agreeing not to seek penalties for Heard for her alleged violation of another judicial order, issued during separate deliberations on a defamation case in the United States, by providing the Sun's legal team with evidence. It is reported that Johnny Depp, 57, was nominated for Academy Awards and BAFTA and won the Golden Globe Award in 2008 for his role in the movie Sweeney Todd. Depp married Heard, now 34, who appeared in Aquaman and The Danish Girl in February 2015, but filed for divorce after 15 months.